Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will get to know how to create an eye-catchy Google Shopping feed, as optimizing it is very important for the success of your Google Shopping campaigns. And we will also learn about the score improvement. So here is how to make your feed visibly appealing and optimize for better results. So first of all, have a look on the scores. Here is the scores assigned to our title, that is poor, because it includes 25 out of 100 words. Here is the description score, that is good. And Google product category, that is 0 because we didn't added anything yet. And here is the product type and promotion IDs. They are 100 out of 100 and it is excellent. And here you can see the GTIN. You will add it if you own it, otherwise you will leave it as it is. So first of all, here is the title. You must add 75 to 100 characters for title. And if you talk about the description, there must be minimum length. So be careful. Here I'm on my product page. You can see here is the title. Please make sure you must write concise product titles that include relevant keywords. It must include important product attributes such as brand, color, size and model in the title, as I am writing best gold ring as my product is related to rings. And I will add the country. And next I will write buy gold ring like this. So here is my title. And here you can see I'm on description. Description also plays very important role. You can have to write accurate information in your description that is quite informative and that provides the essential details about the product. You must highlight unique selling points and benefits about your products in the description. So here you can see I'm just writing it randomly. Now click on save changes. Our score is good. Next we will see. Moreover, you can also watch the mini tutorials provided in each and every step for getting more detailed knowledge about the app, and I will attach the links in the description box. Here you have to select the category of your product, as I have on the ring, so I will select jewelry rings. And next you have to write the product details. Here is the unit price pricing measure. Next it is related to multi-pack. Then product identifier, if you own it then you will click on the yes, otherwise you will go with the no. So next is the product labels. Here you can see the recommended details. Product highlights, I have added these randomly. Then here is the product detail section. You can also skip this. So in additional details you will see we will have to fill these information for subscription cost. Here we have to select a period, then period length, like how many time we need to add the subscription. Then we have to write the amount. Then we have the product height. You can write the height in inches or centimeters. Then we have product width. Here I will write in centimeter. Then product length, select centimeter. Then you can see here is the product width. You can select the SL unit accordingly. Then next you can see the shipping height, shipping width, shipping length. So these information you have to fill by your own according to your product. Here is the product availability. Please make sure that your product data is well structured and organized. Use product data fields correctly. Provide accurate and up-to-date information for attributes like availability and the condition. So next we have the energy efficiency class. It is related to electricity products. Then we have the shipping, location, region. These you have to fill accordingly. You can also watch the tutorial provided over here. So now let's have a look on the scores to see is there any improvement. Yeah, you can see our scores are quite improved. Click on back. So we have to move to merchant center to see is our data reached or not. Here I have to click on this product. You can see data has been reached here. Click on it. Here is our product, and first we have to check the changes made there or not. Sometimes it can take time also. It is up to the data scenario. Here you can see status is disapproved or invalid, as we have added mostly data randomly. Then here is the item status. Then here you can see the shipping details and availability in the price of our product. And here you can see here is the shipping detail. Then let me search my subscription cost. I think it here is the promotion ID. Our subscription cost is not visible here, so I have to check it back from here. Are the rejected attributes, and because we have added the product highlights randomly, so it is rejected. And here are the final attributes, and here are the raw feed attributes. Final and raw feed attributes both have the almost same functions. So let's move back to see why our subscription didn't reach there. Here we have to write 7 save changes. You can also watch the tutorial for getting additional information. Here is the tutorial. So with the title, description, and with the basic attributes, you can increase the scores and you can improve the data attribution, and there will be higher chances for your ads listings to be improved. Being a digital marketer, we especially focus on our title and description, basic attributes, and the category. Like here. So here I have chosen ring for my product category. Now let's check the subscription cost. We have to scroll down. Here you can get the subscription cost. So here you go. Here is the subscription cost, and it is very important feature. Even there are people who are unaware that their stores are subscription based, and they don't use this feature. If they use it, there are more chances for their ads to get optimized. The more data we provide to Google, the more it will help us to optimize our ad. So it means subscription cost is supported in this product as it is jewelry based. Also make sure that your Google Merchant Center account is in good standing, and address and any account issue should be solved. Make sure your landing pages where users are directed after clicking your ads are relevant, load quickly, and provide a seamless shopping experience. So by following these tips, you can create an eye-catching and well-optimized Google shopping feed that attracts the potential customers and drives sales. Regularly review and refine your strategy to improve your campaign's performance over time. I hope you have got the complete idea that how can you improve the score and how can you optimize your Google shopping feed after watching this video. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.